Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Sign into the Xbox app on your device, then enable remote features on the console so streaming is allowed. Once done, ensure both devices share a reliable network or use the console's account linking for remote play. Make sure the console is set to Instant On or Sleep Mode to accept connections. These steps unlock the Remote Control UI, so you can proceed to pair and start streaming immediately. Now continue by pairing and mastering in-app controls. Open the Apps Consoles tab, find your console, and tap Connect to initiate a session. You'll see a virtual controller overlay that mirrors buttons and thumbsticks. If you prefer physical controls, pair a Bluetooth controller through the app or system settings for lower latency. Once connected, tweak streaming quality. Choose low latency, set resolution, and cap bandwidth to match your network so performance is smooth. These middle steps are where control responsiveness and video quality are balanced. To finish, close the stream in the Xbox app and confirm the console returns to its prior power state. This prevents accidental downloads or controller conflicts. Make sure saved settings persist and test a quick reconnect to verify reliability. If you hit lag or control dropouts, lower the stream resolution, choose a wired connection, or switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for less interference. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing fails, sign out and back in, restart the app and console, then retry the pairing sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.